What's up, everyone? So let me add some cameras here while using this. What's up, guys? So yeah, you can do a lot here. As you can see, the color, the temps. So this is our one monitor. There's our other monitor. Take a look at my hand. Wow, that's pretty cool, guys. Let's go ahead and see some other areas here, but give me a second. Okay, so look at this, guys. Look at the ceiling. So it is a nice hot day today. I have my screen door open and you can see the heat outside and you can see how the heat rises. Look at my LED lights that are producing heat, and look at this area. Look at this. Like, hey, let's test this out. Ooh, this is nice. It comes in a little carrying case. Very nice presentation. You get your cables, cleaning cloth as well. Okay, so the app seems really simple to use. Okay, so picked up the camera. We're gonna go okay. Wow. So you can connect it directly in, but if you would need to put it or move it around areas, they give you extension cable. So here we go. AI detection. Let's see if we can change this to Fahrenheit. Okay, so if you want to change it to Fahrenheit, remove the device, go to the main settings right here, go to me, and you can change it in here under temperature units, and you can also change some other stuff in here as well. This is crazy. Look at where all this heat is at, like in this back corner of my office. So here's my whole office setup, and yeah, like, so there's some lights we have on, but this thing is pretty amazing. This is our bathroom, so you can see where heat is rising more in our bathroom. You can take a look over here because the shower curtain, so you can see the heat is kind of trapped over in here because our shower curtain is pulled closed. This is pretty impressive for a lot of different things. We take a look in here, you can see the heat. So that is our crawl space up top, and you can see all the heat from there. It's pretty impressive. Go out in our kitchen here. Look at this. Look at our refrigerator. So this is our refrigerator, and you can see the heat on this side. It's super interesting. We open this up. Look at the different temperature. It's just wild. So this is our kitchen. Look at the heat around our light, even though it's off. It's so interesting, guys. Like, this is pretty impressive. So this is our other room. Pretty cool here. You can see the windows. This is where things are going to get a little toasty. Look at this. This is going upstairs because the heat rises really bad. But look at this. Look at this because of the outside. And look what I put my hot hand up against. Is that not incredible? So the heat rises in the sun. So out here's a window. Look at my reflection because my body's so warm. Out here, you can't even see. It's just a reflection of me. So yeah, this, our skylight. You can see the heat around. So bedroom number 1. It's not too bad. But you can see where the heat is around the seams. It's just impressive, guys. It's just really, really impressive for a lot of reasons. Look at this. Look at the heat through here. You can see where more heat's coming. Look over there. So hot spots. There's so much you can do with this, my friends, as well. So like, you can take pictures and videos as well as we're doing. Now what's great is we can see our basement, and you can see this is working flawlessly. Like, we're moving around pretty fast. So here is our basement. We're gonna keep the lights out and we're gonna see where heat is in our basement. Okay, let's go down here. Whoa. So we can see the different areas in our basement. That is so interesting. Even though, you see this? This is a electrical cable in our basement. So even though it's off, you can see the heat in the cable. Even though we have the lights all turned off down here. There's outside window. Just impressive. Like, guys, this is professional. Like, you can use this for your vehicles. It's just so much applications. So let's say actually go outside. It's a hot day. I think it's over 90. So now we can see the hot spots out here. So there's our pool. Look at the hot spots. The trees. All outside. Look at this. Look at the temps. Look at this table. Look at these temps out here. There's our back. You can see in the shade. Look at the bee. Solar panel. Whew, that's toasty. That is toasty. Yeah, very impressed with this. I know I keep saying that. It's just because I am. Like, this is my barbell. So if I would go to grab my barbell weight here, look, 100, oh my word, 120. Wow. Just wow.